Hi everyone, welcome back. So last winter I decided to leave a patch of Lisianthus in the garden. So I don't do anything special to them, I just cover the ground with dry leaves. So I am in the gardening zone 6A misery. And as you know, most of the Lisianthus will not survive gardening zone 6 and below. But in the early spring, this is how my Lisianthus look like. New growth coming from the old stem. And this new growth eventually turn into a bigger and taller plant. And most of them look very healthy as well. So I'm excited to share with you that gardening zone 6A, you can leave your Lisianthus in the ground and they will come back pretty nicely. But I'm not certain yet whether they will produce as productive as the new Lisianthus that I put this year. So I'll be sharing that with you next time and we'll see the comparison between these old Lisianthus with the new one that I put in the ground this year.